Hi, I'm Amy here. So today you see I'm wearing the mask, right? Actually I'm at the customer house now. So thanks for our customer support. So the customer want to try the latest R1 Facepass Smart Lock. Okay, so the customer want to upgrade lah. Now our installation team is doing. Adi.
Hai.
Okay, so Adi Penang punya technical head lah. Oh, kena pasang beberapa ribu dolar sudah kan?
Ya, okay. Semua jenis itu kena pasang.
Okay, bagus. Okay, so we don't want to disturb the Adi install. So after our installation team done the installation, so I will teach customer how to use the smart lock. See you later.
Đây.
Okay, finally we have done and my installation team already done the testing. So during we do the TNC with the customer, right? Suddenly my customer asked me one question. I think you all want to know also. She said, when I back from the outside, right, at the night time, my house is very dark. I didn't on the light. Is it I still can use the face to unlock the door or not? So now we do the testing. So I off the light first. Okay, actually my cameraman now cannot see me, right? Okay, on the night vision mode.
Okay, done.
Okay, so I'm going to scan my face now. No problem lah. Okay, let me on back the light.
Okay.
Actually, you don't worry, right? Because for this smart lock has so many methods to unlock. You can touch the keypad and then you key in the passcode or the fingerprint sensor, even the physical key you also can use to unlock the door. Okay, so today my sharing ended here. So my mission complete. Bye bye.